Hey, this is Matt at Sparkle Farm. We're working inside today. We got a big storm coming through. I don't know if you can see it on my phone, but probably in the next 15-20 minutes, half an hour, we'll be getting some sort of storm for a few hours outside. So all our outside projects will wait for a bit. But we got a good indoor one that we need to get done anyway. So we're going to be cutting a hole here and getting it ready to install our window air conditioner for the wine room. So we want to climate control everything. So we got baseboard heat we're going to be putting in, and then I'm putting in a window air conditioner to keep it cool. So we want to keep it right around like 60, 62 degrees. So we'll be able to easily do that with this window air conditioner and the baseboard heat all year round. So this is what we're going to get into today. I have my measurements, so we're just going to go mark it out and we're going to get it all framed in. Alright, so the dimensions that we need are 16.5 by 30. From here to here is 30.5, so we're just going to go with it. And it's just for the accordion stuff on the window air conditioner. So we got plenty of leeway with that. So we're just going to level it out.
Camps out on the open range, and who stays warm by the campfire flames, drinking their whiskey straight from the jug, shooting their guns because it's the life that they love. Tell me, who are the modern cowboys of today?
Alright, so this is the Pass Load XP. We've had it for about 6-8 months now. Super handy when you just gotta nail up a few things. I think if I was framing a whole house, I'd probably go back to my other Pass Load framing guns, the air ones, but for these kind of projects, this thing's awesome. So what was that, 12 nails? 8 nails? That's awesome. Alright, so all those cordless tools are great, but when it comes time to really anything with power, you gotta go back to the corded stuff. So I've probably had this Sawzall 20 years.
Across the USA, who camps out on the open range, and who stays warm by the campfire flames, drinking their whiskey.
Alright, so now you can see I got my hole through, and this is the actual set of steps that goes up to the office upstairs and storage in the workshop. So it's kind of a waste of space under there that high, so I thought getting a window air conditioner up there would be a great use of that space. So, not too bad, so I'm going to go outside here, put a bunch of screws in, and hold that tight, and then we'll be done up there. We'll just vacuum up everything, and then we'll start putting in our batt insulation. Alright, so we're on the flip side now, underneath that set of steps. So I got my drywall screws in here. I'm just going to put a handful in. So we're going to jump back, vacuum up, and start putting the insulation in.
Cowboys of today. Who do you see riding across the USA? Who camps out on the open range and who stays warm by the campfire flames, drinking their whiskey, scraping the jug, shooting their guns, cause it's the life that they love. Well, tell me, who are the modern cowboys of today? The cowboy had a code to protect his own. Wherever the cowboy camped was a cowboy's home. Who still sleeps with a gun in his hand, and who's still ready
over as
to
much
take his
stuff.
stand? Who'd rather die
Now we're
than
going to start
dead
putting
tonight?
insulation batts.
Without giving a fight, will tell me, who are the modern cowboys of today? The cowboy loved his horse more than his lady true, but who loves today in the way that they used to do. They wear rawhide gloves and some even chaps. They ride iron horses with bags and packs, and you call them outlaws that don't belong. They're wild and crazy, full of fire and fun, but tell me, who are the modern cowboys of today? Fight with anybody around. Who chases women all night long, doing everything even when it's wrong. Who wears worn Levi's and wiry beards, causes the town folk to hide in fear. Well, tell me, who are the modern cowboys of today? They don't herd cattle or rope or brand the calf. They're more like the rebs and the drifters that didn't last. The right to live and they live to ride. They love the life of being free to decide, and they'll last as long as they can, you see. But they live in a world that won't let them be. So just like the rebels, they'll all be history. Cause they ride to live and they live to ride. They love the life of being free to decide, and they'll last as long as they can, you see. But they live in a world that won't let them be. So just like the rebels, they'll all be history. Tell me, who are the modern cowboys of the day? And who do you see?
Alright, well, I'm going to stop there
USA?
with the insulation. Is this opening from there to there? I need to change it. I'm going to be modifying 2 commercial doors with the metal frames, but one door's 4 foot and the other door's 3 foot, so I want to make it a 7-foot opening to be able to get pallets and anything I need in here a lot easier with some equipment. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll have more of this making our wine room coming up on our channel on Sparkle Farm. So if you could hit subscribe, I think it's going to be about 2 more weeks till we can get our grapes or so. It'll be the 1st or 2nd week of September. So I'm going to be cruising along on this. So yeah, keep tuning in.